Next method, construction of a trapezium when its two sides and two angles are given. Constructed trapezium DEAN in which line segment DE is parallel to line segment NA, DE equal to 7 cm, EA equal to 6.5 cm, angle EDN equal to 100 degree and angle DEA equal to 70 degree. Also find its area. The same way you have to write given and rough diagram. Okay, rough diagram you have to draw like this. Then you have to mention 100 degree means it looks like a obtuse. For it is 70 degree, it is looks like acute. You have to draw properly. Okay, 100 degree looks like obtuse angle. So the line looks like obtuse angle. 70 degree line looks like acute angle. Students, first you have to draw the line segment DE equal to 7 cm. With the help of ruler, draw a line segment DE equal to 7 cm. Then with the help of protractor, you have to measure 70 degree. Okay, for this angle is 70 degree. DEA. DEA is 70 degree. So you have to keep here. Keep like this and measure 70 degree. Measure 70 degree. Through that point, you have to draw one ray. For through that point you have to draw one ray. First you have to draw line segment, then measure 70 degree, then through that point you have to draw one ray. Then the given measurement is 6.5 centimeter. You have to measure 6.5 centimeter with the help of ruler and compass. Okay, 6.5 centimeter, 6.5 centimeter. Then ES center, draw an arc. Okay, draw one arc. Then that arc intersecting on that ray, that is give the name A. Okay. Then for through this point A, you have to draw one parallel line. With the help of ruler, you have to draw one parallel line. Then draw this parallel line. Then for two angles are given, another one angle is 100 degree. Keep here and measure 100 degree. Okay. Keep here and measure 100 degree. You have to measure properly. For you have to measure 100 degree. Then through this point you have to draw another one ray. For this parallel line, for this parallel line and this ray intersecting point, you give the name N. Okay, for this is the parallel line. This is that ray intersecting point, you have to give the name N. So now we get the required trapezium DEAN. For this measurement is not given, so you have to measure this measurement we need for calculation. So you have to measure. So that is how much measurement you get, that you have to measure. Okay, for it is listen once again. First you have to draw the line segment 7 centimeter. Then with the help of protractor measure 70 degree. Then through this point you have to draw one ray. Then you have to measure 6.5 centimeter, draw one arc. From E you have to draw one arc. Okay, then through this point, mark this intersecting point. Through this point you have to draw one parallel line. Then you have to measure from D, angle D, you have to measure 100 degree. Okay, measure 100 degree. You have to keep this protractor properly 100 degree. Then through this point you have to draw one another ray. So that is these two parallel line and ray meeting point, you have to measure. You have to give the name N. Now we get the required trapezium. We need to find the height. Altitude we need to draw. So the same procedure. Keep the scale on the baseline. Use your set square. Keep on the set square like this in a right angle position. Slide the set square towards the point. Draw the perpendicular line. That is perpendicular line or altitude. Then you have to measure this. So for we need for calculation A and B we have to measure, and altitude height also we have to measure. Then substitute in the formula. Listen students, for third question related to the third example. Okay, you have to follow that, refer with that example, then you have to complete it. Then we will move to the next method. Constructing a trapezium when its four sides are given. So constructing a trapezium disc DESK in which line segment DE is parallel to line segment KS. DE equal to 8 cm, ES is equal to 5 cm, KS is equal to 5 cm and KD equal to 6 cm. Find also its area. Okay, first you have to draw the rough diagram, then you have to mention DE equal to 8 cm, ES is equal to 5.5 centimeter, KS is equal to 5 centimeter, DK equal to 8 centimeter. Now for diagram, draw a line segment DE equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, first you got to draw a line segment DE equal to 8 centimeter. Then you have to refer with the rough diagram. For here what measurement is given? For what measurement is given to the opposite parallel side 5 centimeter. Okay, then you have to measure 5 centimeter from the point D. From the point D you have to measure 5 centimeter. Okay, that is for here 5 centimeter you have to measure. What measurement given to the opposite side, the same measurement you have to measure here. So that is 5 centimeter. So you mark the point from D. From the point D you have to measure 5 centimeter, that is A. For DA equal to 5 centimeter. Mark the point A on the line segment DE. DA is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, we have to mark the point A, that DA equal to 5 centimeter. Why we are using 5 centimeter? The opposite parallel side measurement is 5 centimeter. Okay, then this A and ES center, draw an arc of radius 6 centimeter and 5.5 centimeter. For this measurement is given, already given, it is 5.5 centimeter, 5.5 centimeter. So with ES center, draw an arc of radius 5.5 centimeter. Then A as center, draw an arc of radius 6 centimeter. This 6 centimeter is not given. So here what measurement is given here, the same measurement you have to use for this arc. Okay, so this for line segment measurement is 6 centimeter. So you have to draw this. Mark this intersecting point, you have to join AS and AE. Then in the question is given, for it is SK equal to 5 centimeter. Keep on S, measure 5 centimeter, draw one arc. Then measure 6 centimeter with the DS center, draw an arc of radius 6 centimeter. Draw one arc. So you have to join this, mark this point, you have to join KD and KS. We get the required trapezium. Okay, once again listen. First you have to draw the line segment DE. Draw the line segment DE. Then for what measurement given to the opposite parallel side? Opposite parallel side 5 centimeter. So from D you have to measure 5 centimeter and mark the point A on DE. Okay. Then for this measurement is given 5.5 centimeter. So ES equal to 5.5 centimeter. With the help of compass and ruler, draw one arc. Then 6 centimeter, here what measurement is given, the same measurement you have to use. Keep on A and draw another arc. Draw one another arc. Mark this intersecting point, join AS and EK. Then SK is 5 centimeter. Compass keep on S, draw one 5 centimeter arc. Then the compass keep on D, draw another one arc for 6 centimeter. Okay, another one arc for 6 centimeter. Then mark this intersecting point, join KD and KS. The same way you have to find for height. So keep scale on the baseline, then fix the set square on one point. Now slide you have to use 2 hands. Okay, slide the set square towards the point like this, towards the point. Then draw the perpendicular line. After draw this you have to measure with scale. Okay, for this is H, this is A, this is B. Otherwise this is A, this is B. For A is 8, B is 5. Okay.